It's like I haven't done makeup in a hot minute. All of a sudden, I don't know how to behave. Hello, lovelies. Welcome back. My name is Tehja, and today we have another exciting video. We are recreating Ariana Grande's makeup look in the music video Boyfriend that she did with Social House. I freaking love this look. I feel like it looks really good. I feel like I am channeling Ariana Grande once again. If you did not see my other transformation, I will link it up, you know, somewhere over here. So it's simple, it's cute, it's easy, and all of that good stuff. If you would like to see how I create this look, then please keep on watching. I have done my eyebrows and primed my face and all that good stuff because we've seen it a million times. I just want to jump right into the eyes, so let's do that. So Ariana Grande, she usually doesn't have any like crazy looks, so that's good. It's nice and simple. I'm actually going to first prime my eyes. I totally forgot to do that, and I keep forgetting to do that for whatever reason. Prime my eyes pretty much. So I am taking the Norvina palette, and I am taking the shade Incense, just this brown right here. I'm going to put that in my crease. And I'm just going to like lightly put it in the crease because the transition color wasn't like super prominent in her look. So just lightly kind of putting that in the crease. Trying not to go like too deep because it seems like this color can go like really dark. Now that we have done that, I'm going to take a little bit of burnt orange and sienna to blend out the edges like a tad bit, like really not that much. But I noticed that her eyeshadow is a little bit more warm and this is a little bit more neutral. So I'm just gonna warm it up like a little bit. You see that? You see how it's like a little bit warmer? Like this is neutral and then this is a little bit warmer. That's exactly what we want. Just, you know, lightly put that in just to warm it up a tad. All right. Boom. We got that done. I'm happy about it. Now I'm taking my Morphe 25L palette. I hope this is still available. I hope it wasn't just available for Pride Month. I think it is, but I'm not sure. But I'm taking this beautiful, colorful palette. I'm taking art and I'm going to put that pretty much all over the lid. I believe that her eyeshadow look is like all matte. If you know me, I like glitter and sparkle. So I usually don't do all matte looks, but we're going to do it today for the sake of Ariana Grande. Putting that right on my lid. Oh, that's actually really pretty. I'm going to really pack that on there. If you wanted to like put more primer on your eyeshadow lid, you could. I'm pretty much doing like 2/3 of my eye. I might do like the whole lid and just kind of continue to pack that color in there. Like the color isn't like super duper pigmented, but it'll work for this look. And I'm going into my inner corner as well and then going out. So I'm going to do the other side and I'll be right back. Alright, so I packed the blue into my lid pretty much 2/3 of the way or 4/5 of the way if you want to get specific. I'm going back to that first crease color, Incense, from the Norvina palette, this one right here, and I'm going to put that on like the outer V and kind of blend the blue color and the brown color together with a separate brush. Doing that right now, just lightly, just blending it into the eyeshadow, the blue eyeshadow. No big deal. And also this part isn't like super duper important because Ariana has this insane wing. You don't have to be like super neat about it. Alright, and then I'm going into my dirty ass soft glam palette and taking both burnt orange and sienna and warming up that outer corner a little bit. And then one last time, I'm going back into the Morphe palette and taking that color Art again and just redefining that pink, just to make sure that we haven't lost it. So we are slowly metamorphosizing into Ariana Grande. So I'm just clumsy today. Oh my god. Okay, so now that we have the eyeshadow down, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Cause I'm Black Liquid Fly Liner. Finally, I got the pun. I'm going to use that and attempt to do this fly ass wing. I'm not the greatest at wings, but we're just gonna make it work because she has like an insane, like almost like Amy Winehouse type wing. And so I am going to use this to do that. It's my favorite eyeliner. Wish me luck, please and thank you. So I'm just gonna really drag it out because the eyeliner is long. It's almost to her eyebrow. So we're just gonna drag it out like that and then pull it back in. This actually looks really cute. So I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back because I hope and pray that it looks as good as this one. This is actually looking fabulous. I'm really happy. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Okay, my eyes look completely different. I'm taking my lashes from Unicorn Lashes in the style Peachy Pie. I love the names. Now, these are not super duper natural lashes like Ariana usually wears, but they're like Tehja natural, you know. It's just like they're chiller than what I normally wear, and they look really, really cute. So I'm going to wear these. So I'm going to put lash glue on one, and then I'm going to continue on with my makeup. So I'm going to actually zoom out. So now that we're zoomed out, we're going to continue with the rest of our makeup. I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Brulee. Now this foundation is a little bit orange on me, but I have my KKW Beauty Body Foundation, which I'm going to have a video about that coming up. It's probably going to be the next video after this one, but I did a whole review and demo on it. And so anyway, but the effect of the KKW Beauty Body Foundation on me is like it gives me a tan. And so I'm using this because it's orange and it kind of has that tan look as well. I like using brushes because I feel like they give a little bit more coverage than a beauty blender, to be honest. Especially when you kind of like stamp it in instead of like swirl it. Now I'm using the KKW Beauty concealer in number 9. Favorite concealer of all time. Oh shit, I totally forgot about my lash. I gotta put more lash glue on my lash now. Shit. No, I'm not trying to go too far out because her highlighter, like her highlight underneath her eyes, doesn't go that far out. So I'm like not going past like my wing pretty much. Because like her highlight just stays kind of like right underneath her eye. Not really. She doesn't really extend it far. And then, you know, the rest of the points of the face. Like, her face is beat in this video. Okay, so now it's time to put on this lash. Oops. Let's see, it's like the way more dramatic version of what she was wearing. And moving on to bronzer, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics bronzer in Almond. And this is something new. It's gonna be in my haul video, which is another video that I'm gonna launch. I just wanted to launch this one first and publish this one first. But I got like 2 other videos that are on deck, like getting ready to release. Actually, before I even do that, let me set my fucking face. I am actually gonna take the NYX Cosmetics No Filter Powder in Golden just to set my face. I know, another dirty brush. I am so sorry, y'all. I've been so busy lately that I haven't been able to do much. Oh, I haven't even set my under eye. Like, I literally haven't done makeup for like 3 weeks. If that, like it might have been like a shorter amount of time, and all of a sudden, like I have no idea how to do makeup. So I'm putting on my other lash. Alright, so I'm going to set my under eyes. Her under eyes are super duper airbrushed. So I'm going to try to replicate that. I have another new product. This is the KKW Beauty Setting Powder in, oh, this is Bake number 3. I'm like trying not to put too much on this damn sponge because I don't know how it's going to react. I did that with the Fenty Beauty one and it like wanted to like persecute me or something. I don't know. It's just like it gave me problems. But this is actually setting really, really nice. Wow. I'm pretty much setting all my highlighted areas. So now I'm taking the Kylie Cosmetics bronzer in Almond. And so yeah, I did like a huge haul, so that'll be coming soon. But that's what all the new products are coming from. And I'm just going to bronze up my face as much as possible. I'm not going to contour because she's not really contoured, I don't think. I think she really normally just bronzes, but I could be wrong, but she is bronzed to the gods. I'm getting makeup all up in my hairline, but oh well. It is what it is. Life is life. Her forehead is really, really bronzed too, so I'm going to kind of bronze it pretty low. I know, I'm just not that talkative today, and I don't know why, and I feel bad about it. Okay, I'm also going to take my bronzer and contour my nose. Hopefully it works. Usually warm toned bronzers or warm toned powders don't work with my nose contour, but it's just going to have to right now because I don't feel like getting up. For blush, I'm using the Urban Decay Fetish blush. It's really, really cute. And I'm just going to use that to just put a little bit of blush. She does have on quite a bit. Oh, that's actually like a really, really good color to match what she was wearing. Yeah, this is definitely something very similar. Alright, that's really, really cute actually. I expected it to look that good, but this used to be my like favorite blush, and I now remember why. So now I'm going to spray my face with some Fix Plus to kind of dye down all those powders and all that stuff. And we're gonna go back to the eyes, but I'm not gonna zoom in because it's really not that crazy. She doesn't have like a lot underneath her eyes. But I'm taking this Sephora eye crayon contour, eye contour, whatever. It's a long ass name. But I'm taking that and I'm putting that in my waterline. I haven't done this in a hot minute. Now I'm taking the Norvina palette again, and this is my first time using the palette actually. Oops. But I'm taking Incense and I'm going to just smoke out that eyeliner just a little bit. She doesn't have anything too crazy going on, but I just want like a little bit of something. Now we're going to move on to mascara. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara just to put it on my top and bottom lashes. So now I'm going to highlight, and I'm taking my Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow highlighter. I freaking love this. I'm also going to put some highlighter on my nose because she always got a poppin' highlight on her nose. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so like we're almost done. This is the part where I'm gonna kind of put like a little bit of a different spin on what she has. I am actually gonna put some brown lip liner around my lips because I feel like that will just look better with the lipstick I'm gonna use, because obviously we're different skin tones, so what she can get away with and what I can get away with are two different categories. So I'm using the KKW Beauty lip liner in shade Nude 2.5 to line my lips. Alright, now I'm taking my MAC Cosmetics lipstick in Velvet Teddy. It's kind of similar to what she's wearing. Hers is a little bit more pink, but I don't think I have one that's like not limited edition that's that color. So I'm just going with Velvet Teddy because I feel like it'll match my skin tone a little bit better as well. Alright, and then I'm taking my Kylie Cosmetics Eyebrow eyebrow gel, and just doing my eyebrows up real quick. And then setting spray one last time. And then I'm going to go and change into my outfit, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the finished look. It looks so freaking pretty. I feel like I really did a good job recreating Ariana Grande's look, Like, I feel like I really did a good job because usually I'm super duper horrible at recreating makeup looks, but I want to like be better at it, and I feel like I really hit the nail on the head with this one. I mean, it was an easy look to begin with, but I like really like it because, like, you know, in the video they really featured like her face and her makeup, and I would just instantly fell in love. And I wore like a jean jacket and dress ensemble to go with the blue, and I feel like it just looks super duper cute. I feel like you can do this like as an everyday look as well. Yeah, so if you like this look, please subscribe and like and comment down below. Let me know if you want me to recreate anybody else's makeup look or just looks in general. Please turn on your post notifications to be notified whenever I do post my YouTube videos. I am getting better with my schedule, so that's a good thing. But still, I don't have like a set schedule, but I'm starting to get to it. Please love yourself, and I will see you next video. Mwah!